Hi guys, it's Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today I'm at the Brisbane workshop and we've just carried out a custom dyno tune to a brand new 2021 Isuzu MU-X, and this one's owned by one of our mechanics here at the Brisbane shop. Over the last couple of months we've tuned a heap of the brand new Isuzu D-Max and Mazda BT50, but we haven't shown you the work that we've been doing with the Isuzu MU-X, so I'm really excited to show you the results and how they perform. Before we move on, don't forget to quickly subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel. So like the new D-Max and BT50, the MU-X has the all-new Ford JJ3 engine in it. They are still a 4-cylinder, single-turbo, 3-litre engine. And over the Ford JJ1, there's been some noticeable changes in the way of drivability and power output. These improvements are to the engine block and the fuel injection system. Plus there's been a revised crankshaft, new lightweight alloy pistons and alloy cylinder head. The intake is now forward-facing, which is much better for airflow, plus the turbocharger has a revised rear exhaust wheel. So what this means is the engine has got better response and less turbo lag. We've done a lot of development with the custom dyno tuning into the MU-X. This one behind me is used as a daily driver, as well as that it does go off-road and on the beach. It doesn't do any towing at all, and it's absolutely bog stock standard. We've tuned this MU-X exactly the same way as we do every vehicle at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Here's a little bit more about how we do it. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. Once we have these base figures, we test to confirm the engine is running correctly with no underlying mechanical issues, and then we carry out the custom dyno tune. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car, whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimised power and torque is achieved, based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customised tuning process. I've now loaded up the dyno graph on the computer for the MU-X so I can talk you through the results. When we first ran the MU-X up, it had 110 kilowatts of power and 462 newton meters of torque. After we completed the custom dyno tune to it, it went to 146 kilowatts of power and 595 newton meters of torque. In peak power, this was a 33% gain, and in torque, it was 29% gain in the peak. I wanted to report 3 things back from the owner, Matt, since the car's been custom dyno tuned. Firstly, he's seen around 2 or more litres per 100 Ks saving at the Bowser, which is great. On top of that, when he used to pull out on the highway, he found he had to put about 50% throttle down to bring the car up to speed. Since it's been tuned, it's about 15% throttle to build the car up to speed when accelerating on the highway. And the big thing he's really enjoying is when it was on the highway, it used to hunt a lot between 5th and 6th gear. Now it's actually just holding the gear a lot better. We've also had this feedback from D-Max and BT50 owners when they're towing, it's holding the gear a lot better after it's been custom tuned. As you've just seen guys, we can now custom dyno tune the Isuzu MU-X, as well as the Isuzu D-Max and Mazda BT50, all the new Ford JJ3 family. So if you're looking at getting better drivability and improving the power and torque for one of these vehicles, give us a call and speak to one of our diesel experts or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, we do have a dealer network all around Australia, but make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.